Caring for a dog made easy with this video. Perfection is in the eye of the beholder. Whether or not you've made mistakes with your dog doesn't matter as long as you have always provided them with love. That said, read on to find out more about tips and tricks regarding your dog and how to avoid some mistakes others have made. Avoid kisses and stick with hugs. It is unsanitary to be licked by a dog. Dogs are always getting into garbage, drink from places like the toilet, and they clean their bodies with their tongues. It's an old wives' tale that your dog's mouth happens to be cleaner than a human being. This is absolutely a myth. If you're training your dog, don't just use verbal commands. Try hand signals as well. Using signals such as these, your dog may learn things more easily. Try both ways and see which is best for your dog. Dogs love to eat grass and other plants. When you're outside, this may not be much of a problem, but if you maintain houseplants indoors, chances are they are poisonous to dogs. Before bringing a dog into the home, make sure all your houseplants are well out of reach of a dog who may be tempted by a green tasty treat. If you want a dog that behaves well, you must take the time to properly train it. If you do not do this, then you will almost surely be dealing with behavioral problems for the length of the dog's life. Training is the only way that you can prevent this from happening. Perfect advice is impossible to find. That said, what you have watched here is a great start to your dog education. While your dog and your situation differ from those of the authors, the general knowledge you have gained is priceless. Make use of what you have learned today to make for a better tomorrow. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.